Attention traders, I'm going to show you now a short selling setup in the company Amkor Technologies Incorporated, which should result in about 400% in return. By placing your sell limit order at about $47.20, placing the stop loss at about $49.28, and placing the take profit order at about $38.83. This should result in 402% in return. I'm going to construct this setup now from scratch. But before we dive deep into this setup, please leave me a thumbs up and share this content far and wide. You would help my channel very much by doing this. Thank you. Amkor Technologies is or was in a really good upwards trend since April, but now it's struggling a bit. And at first, delete all these drawings here. Let's switch to the weekly time frame and the line chart to see the big picture here. And as you might know from my other videos, I like to apply a Fibonacci retracement on the weekly time frame and make it from 0 on to give us the investor's perspective. All right, let's switch to the daily chart. And you are seeing that here in this sideways phase, we did at first a lower low, then a higher high, and then the next high was a bit lower, and we are approaching now this low point. You could apply also some kind of a scanning trend line here, which was already broken to the downside. And it looks like we are getting here a bearish cross between the 30-day and the 50-day moving average. Looking back on this chart, and you could say that these kind of crosses are every time, well, significant. So I would see this also as a very bearish sign. According to this global struggles at the moment, I would place my sell limit order somewhere like here. Let's switch to the candlestick charts and place a stop loss at least above this trend line and all the moving averages and so on. And I would take profit at the next weekly Fibonacci retracement level, which should give us also 488% in return. So if you adjust this a little bit more, we should perhaps place the stop loss a little bit wider away, farther away. And so in this way, you can have this set up. So, and I mean, according to the geopolitical struggles at the moment, I would expect also that, takes this brush, that, well, we could get here a jump up again before we get down, and then maybe another correction up, and then another pull back down. So this would be also on the table, and perhaps even one step further, until in May the new Fed president gets into office and he lowers maybe the interest rates, and then the stock market rises again. So this would be the big picture. You can let me know in the comments down below if you see it the same way or have a different perspective. I'm curious to hear your opinions. That's all about Amkor Technologies Incorporated. If you find these kind of setups helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. Furthermore, I have opened up a Patreon trading community. You can find the link in the description down below, and you can join it for free. I will post there setups like this and also other setups which I don't post here on YouTube. So join my Patreon trading community for free. See you all on Patreon, and I wish you good trades, good luck, and until next time. Okay.